Special outings and everyday activities with friends and family are part of life's great pleasures. Drive Medical's aluminum transport chair gives people with limited mobility a comfortable, convenient, and affordable way to go anywhere with the help of a companion or loved one. The chair's strong aluminum frame and durable material supports up to 300 pounds, and the seat width is available in both 17 inches and 19 inches to accommodate different users. The armrests are padded for additional comfort. The transport chair has a nylon seat that is breathable and easy to clean, and this built-in seat belt enhances passenger safety, as do the solid 8-inch wheels that also make for a smooth, stable ride over most surfaces. When at rest, these rear wheel locks secure the chair. Other than attaching and detaching the tool-free swing-away footrest, the lightweight transport chair is assembly-free. To remove the footrest, simply release the lock, swing outward and rearward, and then lift the footrest up and off. To transport or store the chair, pull locks simultaneously and carefully fold down the back support. Then, pull up the side seat straps. Weighing only 19 pounds, the chair's light weight makes it easier to load and unload into a vehicle without difficulty. Users also gain added convenience from a wide array of accessories, including a cup holder, tray, oxygen tank carry bag, carry pouches, and the chair is available in 4 attractive color options. You can always count on Drive Medical to bring you convenient and innovative lifestyle solutions, now and for the road ahead.